Hello friends, I'm Savan Kumar, here to help you and take your business online and build a successful business. Today, in that series, we will be talking about e-commerce websites and some important features that you must be having in your e-commerce website whenever you choose a platform or you choose your web developer. So without taking a lot of time or wasting a lot of time, let us directly jump on the key features that your website must be having if you plan to sell something online. Yes. So the number one and the most important key feature that I would be talking about is the content management capabilities. So what do we understand by content management capabilities is how easy the website is to manage. So how easy the content on the website is to manage, be it the products, be it any offer or the content that the message that you are showing on the website, how easy the management is. Because for anything and everything, you might not prefer to go to a web developer or reach out to a web developer every time. So you need to understand how easy the content management is and how extensive, how flexible those capabilities are. Are you able to make quick changes? Are you able to make quick additions, quick revisions if you do not look at or do not want to hire a full-time developer? How easy things are for you, how flexible things are for you to manage, to update, because e-commerce website, is something that you will want to update every single day with a new offer, with some new update, with some new offering, with improved policy, with some improved returns, with some information to the customer. So e-commerce website is not an informative website. You will want to update things every single day, so you will need some power in your hand, or you will have to have a fully dedicated web development team. So whatever you choose to, if you are not that big, if you're not an enterprise who needs a full time development team, or you do not even need an outsourced team, and you want to keep things in your control, in your hand, then you need a flexible and an easy to manage content management system. That was number one. Number two is, what are the promotion and discount tools available on your website? Because e-commerce today is very busy, e-commerce today is very crowded, so you always have to figure out how you can come in front of the eyes. And in the easiest way to reach out, the easiest way to get attention is offering discounts and offering promotions. Now, again, for everyday promotions, for some seasonal promotions, for New Year, Christmas, holidays, Black Friday, Good Friday, all of the promotions that you want to do, you might not always want to reach back to the development team again and again. You might to have this power, you might want to have this power once again in your hand. So make sure that the promotion and the discount tools are easy to manage, easy to update, and you have a lot of different variety of options available in your hand, using which you can offer your customers, prospective or existing, good type of discounts, different variety of discounts, and that's all. So the third one is an easy to use checkout. So once a customer has come, they saw your promotion, they saw your discount, they came to your website, they were impressed, and now they want to move out to buy something. So they want an easy checkout process. They do not want to fill up a two-page form with all the information and then reach out to the checkout page, and again they have to fill in their credit card information. A lot of steps should not be there. It should be as quick as possible. The moment you keep people occupied with something else, the more they will move away from their purchase decision. There are high chances that people might even abandon your cart because you took a lot of time to close the sales. So you need to make sure that that process is very crisp, is quick, and as quick as possible. So you might not even need to get the address and everything. Just get their name, get their email address, the contact number, and the payment details. That's all. That's how quick your checkout process should be. Now, the shipping information, the address, the billing details can always be taken care of maybe in the next step if at all needed. If it is a digital product, then you do not need that. If at all needed, because it is a physical product, you can always follow up or have a system have an automated system where they can fill in those details post completion of the purchase and not at the time of purchase. So these are a couple of things that you need to make sure that are there for a very good customer experience. Now next is more on a developer perspective, that your website should be search engine optimized and the coding should be clean, clear and easy to understand. Not for you, not for the developer, but for Google robots. So your Google robots should be very, the codes and the search engine optimization should be so well that the robots do not face any difficulty or do not find any error when they crawl your website or when they move around your codes. So make sure that your website is search engine optimized and the coding quality is extremely good. Now, the next is reporting tools and custom report features. Now, this is very important when you are doing a business, and that too into e-commerce. You need to have the power of reports. You need to understand how many people came to the website, how many people abandoned the cart, at what stage did they abandon the purchase decision. They came to the home page, they went to the shop page, but they moved out from there. They came to the shop page, they reached out to the checkout page, then they moved out from there. So you need to have these detailed reporting and analytical features on your website, so that you are able to, in 15 days or 30 days of time, you are able to figure out what is wrong and what's working and what's not working. So you have to have these reporting abilities, because digital system is all about reports, is all about analytics. When you were into traditional methods, you are not able to analyze these things. When how a customer came, how a customer went, you are not able to analyze. But with the digital system, you have the power of data. You can analyze anything and everything, using what ad, what people came, on what landing page they came, how did they, what buttons they click, what buttons they did not click, what engaged them, what did not engage them. So you have to have a lot of capabilities around the data, around the reports, some custom reports that you can generate on yourself. How many returns, how many purchases, how many returning customers. So all of these, there could be different options around this, and you must be having the power in your hand to generate a lot of different variety of reports. Now next is an integrated blog and article section. Your website, your e-commerce website, though is an e-commerce website, must be having a blog and an article section where you are sharing your views, where you are sharing about that particular industry that you are selling the products in. You must be continuously sharing about your offers, your promotions, your discounts that you are running, something about the industry, something that the customer would want to know about your industry. So if you are selling clothing, what is the latest launch, what how the weather impacts clothing, what kind of clothes work, what kinds of. So you can have different types of blogs that might, the idea is to keep people engaged. The idea is, when you write a blog and you send it to your customers list, they sorry. So when you have a blog, when you have an article, and let's say you have a new blog today, now you are sending this blog to everybody in your list. Now this is one reason why you reached it to the customer, came in front of the customer without saying them that buy from me. Every time the customer does not want a sales pitch, they also want something genuine and something useful for them. So if you are able to share some useful information, some tips and tricks, some important features of your products without being salesy, without making any sales pitch, now this is one place where you can do that, in the blogs and the article section. Next is the email marketing feature and integration. This is really important. Email marketing is one thing which you cannot choose to not have on your website. Email marketing is one thing that worked 10 years back and still works the most. You will see that none of the big organizations ignore email marketing, but smaller organizations often ignore email marketing. But that is one thing that will take you to unbelievable heights. Yes, so you have to make sure that you are doing email marketing like anything to anybody and everybody in your list. If you have a list of an existing customer, or if you have a list of customers who abandoned your checkout or who did not make a purchase but filled in their information, or they only submitted, they want newsletters to be received. So whatever kind of information you have about the customers, you accordingly keep sending them emails about the offers, about the discounts, about the new offerings, about some useful information from the blogs, from the articles. You keep getting in front of them, because every user goes through the email and does not ignore even a single email. Even if it's a spam email, they tend to move around it, and if your brand keeps coming back again and again and again, they will be having somewhere in your mind that okay, you send them an email every day, even though they do not read it, even they do not open it, but they have in the back of their mind that okay, this brand sends them an email every single day, and the information is really good, though do not have so much of time to read those things, but yes, they are good, they take care of me, they are always sharing information. So whenever I will need to buy that particular product, I will be going to them, I will be reaching out to them. So that is there. Now, about the payment options, there should be a variety of payment options that you should be having on your website, because you do not know what the customer is using. So one payment option less that the customer had been using, if you do not have that particular option, you lose a sale, you lose a customer. You know how difficult it is to get a customer in e-commerce website, in e-commerce industry, and if you are losing one customer, that is not the good thing to happen. So you have to make sure that you have all the available payment options that you can, so that the customer does not move out because of the lack of payment option, be it EMI, be it pay later, be it Amex, Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, credits, whatever the payment options you can give to them, and they should be having, your competitors give them, you cannot avoid any single payment option. So make sure that you have all the payment options integrated in your website. And the most important thing, your website should be flexible enough to scale, you should be flexible enough to add new features to it, because e-commerce is an always growing industry, always changing industry. So you should always have the ability, and you should always be looking at changing and implementing new things. So adding a new chat feature, adding a bot system, adding a Facebook Messenger, so doing something or the other, you should keep trying, evolving and upgrading your website, so that whenever a user comes to your website, he sees something new, he gets okay, these people keep upgrading themselves every single time, based on the user feedback, based on the user experience, keep evolving, keep improvising, keep upgrading, and you will see that over a period of time, you have set up for yourself a good and a successful and a renowned e-commerce brand. So if you follow all of these things, I am very sure that you will be able to build a successful e-commerce business for yourself. Until then, I'll be sharing with you some specific about 25 key features that your e-commerce website should be having in the next video. Until then, have a good day. Bye bye. Wish you best of the luck with your e-commerce business.